1 hour, what is it, 1.5 hour walk. So I've gone an hour and a half in my walk. I've done 3 miles and I'm taking on another three. And then I'm going to be heading to do some business. So yes, I've already completed 1.5 hour and 3 miles. Yeah, I'm so proud of myself. Yesterday after work doing 12 hours, I went ahead and did 20 minutes walk. So that was good. And I can tell you, I slept like a baby. So that's what's walking does for me. So for all of us who can't sleep, take up the channel. Take up the channel. I'm getting some tongue tie right now. Challenge. So take up the challenge and just walk. Walk, 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 walk. I'm telling you, I have no issue sleeping. I think I'm sleeping too much now. I am saying just walk. Walking is so... I mean, I think a lot of us underestimate the power of just walking. Just walk. If you can do even a mile, you see how well rested you are, how you don't need to be living on these high blood pressure medication. You don't need to be taking high blood sugar meds. They make you constipated. They come with all kind of other effects. Now you are trying to get rid of this problem and another one tumble down upon you. Just coming like when you buy one old house, you fix this side and the next side break down. And you fix that side and the next side break down. Yeah, it's the same thing with health conditions. So you have high blood pressure and you go to the doctor and you're taking your meds. Yeah, I'm doing another lap, another 3 miles. So I'm just walking and we're discussing health issues. Because we all have health issues. We all have health issues. And persons don't like to talk about it because it's not telling them how to make money. But it is taking money out of your pocket. So if you know from now how to control these health issues, then you will keep your money in your pocket. Keep your money in your pocket. I just heard two persons talking about mental health in Jamaica. And I didn't know, honestly, I didn't know that it is so costly. The medication is $60,000, one person says. And if we're going to convert it to US, we're talking about like $400. And they say they don't talk about to see their psychiatrist, $20,000 just to see the psychiatrist and therapists. Yeah, and the different food that they must eat. So they don't talk about how to prevent these illnesses. Can't prevent mental health for sure. I mean, just some mental health issues to say, like anxiety and depression and so those things. But the other diagnosis, yeah. But like high blood pressure, diabetes, a lot of these things, you know, we really don't, we cause it on ourselves, should say, because of what we eat. And if we were only trying to prevent these things by exercising and eating right, eat right, exercise. Yeah, a lot of times we just sit down watching TV, go outside and walk. Everybody have a phone now. So most of the programs you can, and we really, I don't think a lot of persons even watch television these days because they're on their phone and they're watching all these other programs, these other YouTube stuff. So you walk with it and you watch it and you get those steps in. I'm hoping to get 10,000 steps. I think I may gone about 5,000 already. Yeah, I do 12 hours. I work for 12 hours. And yesterday, after I completed that 12 hours, before I drive home, I did 25 minutes walk. So I walked for 25 minutes and then I went home, shower, didn't eat and just go to bed. And I wake up this morning and I am not hungry and I'm walking. So I just drank some water and I'm at it. Because health is wealth. Health is wealth. If you, no matter how much money in the world you have, and you're sick and lie down in a bed, you cannot be happy. You cannot be happy. Even if you don't sick and lie down in bed, these chronic illnesses, it takes a toll on you. Who want to get up every day and have to be remembering to take a pill? Take a pill. You have to remember to take a pill. Because if you don't take it, blood sugar get out of whack. Blood pressure get out of whack. Before you know it, you have kidney problem, you're blind, all kind of things tumble down on you. So yeah, we walking is so, I just can't overemphasize the benefits that you get. And it's because I've seen it. The benefits that you get from walking. As simple as we may see it, that benefits that we get from just get up. Even it is recommended that we do 150 minutes per week. So just do at least 30 minutes. 30 minutes for me can't help me. I don't feel nice. I don't feel good. I don't feel like I can move mountain when I do 30 minutes. So I have to do more than 30 minutes. When I do 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 2 hours, I am aiming now at 3 hours. Yeah. So I feel good. I feel light. I feel like I can bounce. Feel like I can move mountain. Yeah. Just get up and move. Move, people, move. Just move. Move. And doctor wouldn't have to be eating out all of your money. All of your money. You know how much money some people spend on medication and to see doctor and to see this other doctor? Because just unbelieve, when you make high blood pressure get out of control, okay, you're seeing your primary care and they are treating you and you allow it to get out of control. You know what next? You know what next? Kidney. You know what next? Heart. And that's how it starts. So before you know it, it's 4, 5, 6 different specialists you have to be seeing. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money that you could have to spend otherwise. So persons don't see it as important. I always tell people that exercise is just a one-stop pill because it covers mostly everything. It helps with your mental health. It helps to calm you. It helps to relax you. Whatever exercise you choose to do. Because some persons love indoor exercise. Some persons love to ride, biking. Some persons love to walk. I do not like no form of indoor exercise. I have to be outside. Excuse me. I can't just inside doing it. I just enjoy walking. I do. So thanks people, thanks everybody. Cardio also helps to clear your mind. Yes, it does. It does. I'm telling you. Listen, I I wanted a community that we would decide on the time that we would walk, and I would just, but I never get that. So I'm just walking and talking, and just to, if it's me alone to talk about how important and the benefits that you get from exercising, I will be that only person. And I'm really not that only person anyway. And diet and exercise goes hand in hand. Dieting, and I mean a balanced diet. Balanced diet, so you eat your fruits, your vegetable, you don't eat a lot of meat, a lot of grease, all of those things. We kind of cut back the salt, the sugar. The sugar is a killer. The sugar, the cake, the ice cream, oh my God. And them nice. I love food. I love food. But they are, no, they're really not good for us. They're really not. They satisfy us, of course. They're comfort, but you're at home and you're bored and you just eat some ice cream and it makes you feel good. But after that, I tell people that, to me, sometimes I say that food is an addiction, because, and it is for some people, because why I say that is, you know that if you eat certain things, it's gonna let your condition worse, but you cannot resist it. It's just like street drugs. You really and truly don't believe that these people, these addicts who are addicted to drugs, they don't know that it will hurt them. They know that it will hurt them, but they are so they can't control themselves because it's an addiction. So they can't control themselves. And as simple as we see food, that's how I look at it. We know that we're supposed to eat right. The things that is good for us, we really don't like it. Like the vegetables and all of these things. Eat a small amount, decrease our portion size, and all of them things. But still, because we're so addicted to this food, we just go ahead, eat where we're not supposed to eat, and eat this whole heap. And then we get overweight. And the weight start pack on and pack on and pack on and pack on. And then other things join in with it. Before we know it, what happened? We're gone. Is the same food cause it? Is the same food cause it? Whether we want to believe it, whether we want to accept it, it is the same food that cause it. Yeah. So we need to control ourselves. Get rid of that little addiction. Tell ourselves no. When we look on the bacon, and we look on the ham, and we Jamaican love oxtail, and we look on the oxtail, and we say, no, sir. That's so we know, so we have control. We must not be in a point where we don't have control. We must never ever where we cannot control ourselves. We must be able to control ourselves. We must be able, thing or the person who is hurting us, to say, walk away. I am going to walk away. Don't be so addicted to this thing that you think you have to have it. No, you don't have to have it. You don't have to have it. You don't have to have it. It is hard. It is, you see, addiction is a serious thing. You know? That is why people must never, ever, ever get hooked. It's a serious thing. Because you don't just get up today and say, yes, I am going to stop. A lot of people do it, even cigarette. I've seen so many persons who tell me, yeah, I just stopped smoking cold turkey. But them got 2-3 months after, then gone back and smoke. You have to take this thing gradually. And so it's the same thing with weight loss. You never gain weight. You never gain 50 pounds in a week or two. You gained it over time. Good morning. You gained it over time. So it took you 4 or 5 years to put on this 50 pounds, even 10, even 20. So don't expect to lose it in 2 weeks. Mm-mm. Unless you're going to take all of them pills and something that these people have all over the place. But if you should change your diet and exercise and start losing this weight gradually, 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 it will stay off because you're going to continue to have a balanced diet and you're going to continue to exercise, which is what we're really supposed to be doing. So then you will see the benefits. Yeah. So we need to do that. We need to do that. Hello. Yeah, we need to do that. Don't let food hold you at ransom. You can't do without food. Not no go so. You can't do without the ham. You can't do without the ice cream. You can't do without the bacon. All of these fatty food. Cut it out, man. And keep healthy. So you can live long. You know? You live long and live a better life. Because it is no quality of life when you weigh 400, 500, 600 pounds and just lie down in bed. That is not a good quality of life. That I am sure that's not the way you want to go. I am sure that's not what you want for yourself. But because it is so, you don't have the control of turning away, not eating certain things. That's how it gets out of hand. So let us work towards better health and do the right thing. Bye.